The Chinese Communist Party views itself as the true vanguard of Marxist-Leninist thought, which proposes that communist countries like theirs must struggle and prevail against capitalist nations like ours. This isn't the Cold War. This is different in kind, to be sure. I was a young soldier. I patrolled the border between East and West Germany. This is different. It's why we have to have a conversation in our state legislatures about this China and this China challenge. And it's important here in Wisconsin as it is in Washington. The good news. The good news is that we're starting to have these conversations all around America, and not a moment too soon. President Trump has made clear the expectations he has for our government, our administration, and how we'll respond to this challenge to protect the American people, to create prosperity and grow our economy. But we watch these CCP campaigns targeting state-level officials, local interests. We've seen them at PTA meetings. They've been in full swing for years, and they're increasing in intensity. Much of that activity revolves around pressing state governments not to recognize, trade with, or otherwise engage with Taiwan.